What's up, Vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Let's get started. On today's menu, we have some good old coconut drops. And here are the ingredients that we will be using today: ginger, coconut, vanilla, cinnamon, and of course you need some sugar. So first we are going to have to do the tedious task of cutting up the coconuts. Yes, it's not easy in these cutting up streets when you're trying to make some drops, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, let's cut away. So of course, I had to do it the old-fashioned way too, where you just hold the coconut in your hand and cut it up. But the hubba's don't like when I do things like that, like cutting things in my hands. Apparently he's afraid I'm going to cut myself. And honestly, it tends to give my hand middle a light cut, so me not really like it either. So I'm going to go back to using the board as it's easier. So yeah, so with cutting these, you want to try your best to make these not too big at all. So cut, and even if you have to go back through and cut some of them into two, then that's fine. Just make sure they're not too big. That's why I was saying it's very tedious. It's a lot of work, this part. And if you have company, like if you have, your husband or your wife, if your children is big enough, it can become a family affair. So yeah, and that will make it very much easier. So here is my coconut all done, and this is the size of them. So I went ahead and washed them off again before putting them in the pot. So to my water, I'm going to add a cinnamon stick. So while that's being boiled, I'm going to grate my ginger. So with the ginger, you add the amount of ginger based on your preference, but it's very much needed in these coconut drops. Hopefully I'm gonna get it mixed up sometime, I might get coconut drops, peanut drops, listen, but I mean coconut drops right now. Peanut drops video already gone. I will leave the link below. So if you want to try it out, check it out, the link will be below. So yes, some people cut the ginger in pieces, but I prefer to grate it so that it's extremely fine because I don't want to bite into it. So now that the water is it boil up, I'm going to remove the cinnamon stick and I'm adding my coconut. So this is 4 cups of coconut. So originally I put 2 cups of water to boil with the cinnamon sticks, and I did that because I wanted to gauge to see how much it would need, and if I needed to add any more then I would. So it did need some more, so I added 2 more cups, making it a total of 4 cups of water. So yeah, I just added half cup of ginger and I mix that in, mix it up, and then I'm adding 2.5 cups of sugar and combine everything. 2 cups of sugar is fine, right? So here we go. This is what we are starting out with, and I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 40 minutes and then see where I'm at. Woohoo! So here it is after 40 minutes. So stir it up, and guys, taste it and see if it tastes of enough ginger for you, and if not, then this is where you would add some more ginger. So see, the water is reducing. So you scrape the sides and make sure you try get everything down in there, and try lay out everything flat in the pot bottom so the coconut them can get cooked. Me like them kind of not soft as in peke, but you know, them not for tough when me I bite them. So I'm covering it down and cook it for about 20 more minutes. So see, it reduced down nice. So I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla and about half teaspoon of almond extract. I decided last minute to add the almond extract. Stir it up, give it a taste, and see what it lacks. Always taste as you go along with everything. So I felt mine needed some more cinnamon. I don't know if it's the coconut absorb all the little cinnamon flavor, but it wasn't as vibrant on my taste buds as I needed it to be. So again, stir it up and allow this to reduce right down to where you can no longer see all that juice. That juice right there. Yeah, it needs not to be there. That day, one day. You sir, you needs to go. May I give you notice? So yeah, just allow it to reduce some more. We are almost there. And guys, this is it. This right here is perfection. That's it. So I'd gone ahead and put some grease paper over my tray. This will certainly help with the cleaning up process and make it easier to lift the drops off the grease paper. That is the main reason why I use the grease paper. So, you know, when them dry, it's easier to lift them up off of the grease paper. And guys, you need to move fast right here. Drop them according to your liking though, but I'd say don't make them too big. And we just have a little spoon where, you know, if one roll off or go on like it too extra, I try to put it back in its place. So that's what I use the little spoon for. So yeah, drop them fast because it will dry so fast, and especially when you make it reduce right down, yeah, them dry fast and set fast. Last one. Good girl. Here they are, and guys, these dried very well, as I said, because I was patient this time around and allow it to reduce completely. So it was perfection, just perfect. Vibes fam, here we have the finished product, all set good and ready for all the video light with their boat. Check them out, They tasted amazing. They weren't too sweet, you know. By the way, as I said, you guys can use 2 cups of sugar if you wish. I enjoyed these. Well, my family enjoyed them. We are still enjoying them. But yeah, guys, amazing. So awesome. You know, a nice little treat. This is our Jamaican dessert, yeah? Now, Jamaican dessert, love them. Look at them glistening and all pretty. Looking so amazing. Guys, comment down below and tell me which one do you prefer, peanut cake or coconut drops. Well, guys, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment down below, and answer the question I asked. Please subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. New watchers, please subscribe. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. God bless you.